All right, Chizu. Oh my God. We gotta make some errands today. I'm sorry, I just woke up. I'm very tired. We gotta make some errands today. It's about time. I've been treating the 300 like some girl I just met on the internet. I'm not taking care of her. So today, that's what we're gonna do. Mainly because I have to. But yeah, we got a problem. So basically, if y'all don't know, well, my friends know, but I got a ticket the other day. It was raining. I was going up a hill almost, and my back wheel was spinning. It was sparking. This is why. So yeah, we're taking care of that today, but we're not taking the car because it's got a wobble to it. So we got to load up the Blazer and get the tire off of the 300, take the tire to the tire shop, get that changed, come back, put it on the wash car, and I'm not gonna wait to first. But yeah, take the jack. I'm honestly not about to roll it down the hill. It's gonna be loud, so I'm just gonna pick it up. I'll be back. All right, so guys, we got our tire thing. It's been sitting out, which is my fault, but it's freezing out here, bro. Oh my God. I need to hurry up and do this so I can go. Dang. It's cold.
This, right? You wanted the real deal? That's what this is. Wake up. You're in the middle of it. You want to run? Go ahead. No one's stopping you. Stop complaining.
Hopefully I don't have to move the car. I think I have to move the car. I think I just have to move it over a bit. Don't want to start it, but I don't think I have a choice. That should be good. All right. Right here. Yep. Like I said, the car was wobbling back and forth. There's a knot right there. I need to stop playing around so much. All right, y'all. We got one Dookie 300 wheel in here with the Lipton tea and drinking water. I'm tired. I don't know. Maybe the wheels are too big and they're filthy, but John is dirty. It's just ugly. Go make sure there's nothing else I need out of my car. I think I need chapstick and lotion.
Damn!
Look at my baby, y'all. Propped up in the air as she is 90% of the time. Yeah. But I'll see you back in a little bit, man. She looks stupid with one wheel. Y'all notice the difference? All right, y'all, I picked up a GoPro a couple of days ago, but I haven't been able to use it. Yeah, it's kind of cool, ain't it? I ain't had one in so long. What if I just like sit y'all right here and talk to y'all? But yeah, now y'all can see the phone and all of that. Like, I'll show you how busted my phone is. Yeah, my phone is busted. So, but it's 1025. It's kind of cool. It's just like, it's just kind of cool. Like, cool. Hello, guys. But yeah. Oh, wait. But yeah, on the way to get a tire. I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. Pulling up right now. I know it's just a used Toya. Y'all, when I tell you I'm here more than you think, it's ridiculous. I need to chill out. All right, y'all. We got the tire. Oh my God. All right, y'all. Got used 285. Oh, Jesus Christ. Used $70. Ready to go. Put it on tank. This is not fun, but it's what I like to do. So we're gonna roll it down the hill. Big wheel. Whoa. Okay. Jesus. Okay. All right. Oh my God. All right. Oh, that's what I gotta do to stop neglecting my baby. I want to go inside, but I can't end it like this. The car's been neglected for too long. Woo! Seized up. Too cold. God. Alright. Let's get everything before the car runs out of gas because I ain't got none. Oh my God. Okay. Alright. Tires on. All good. It's time to wash the car now, like for real, but I need to go get gas first. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go get gas and then wash the car. As y'all can see, we're like not even a little sliver of gas. So going to 7-Eleven and then going to the car wash. It's so loud when it's cold, bro. Like, Jesus. All right, y'all. We're on the way to the gas station right now. I don't know if this will go on to my GoPro. I don't know at all. You know, it doesn't shake at all. This is pretty sweet. But I don't know if y'all can see, but I have no gas whatsoever. So at some point today, I do have a head mount coming for my GoPro, so I can just wear it on my head and y'all will, you know what I'm saying, y'all will see everything I do. Thank God, because I've been wanting to make a POV video for so long and I haven't been able to. So about to do that. Hopefully a POV video maybe tomorrow. Well, I'll make the POV tomorrow. I don't know, whatever. Just depends. That actually, POV video comes when the other parts for my car come. So y'all, I can install it all and all of that. So yeah, that'll be pretty fun. Just about to get some gas. And then, yeah, I'm about to switch all to my phone though. Yeah. So, 1 second. Yo, it's like I want to get my new front bumper, but at the same time, I really like how this looks sometimes. Sometimes. I don't like it all the time. He does not know how to drive manual. Oh my God, his clutch is on fire. Yeah, he does not know what he's doing. I heard him from the light. He's like, there it is. Maybe he knows who I am. Because he waved at me and everything, so I don't know who that is, but I don't know. Yo, I got recognized off TikTok that one time. He was like, "You post your car on TikTok?" I was like, "Yeah." Him and his mom. He was like, "Yo, we saw your car." And I was like, "Oh, that's crazy." I've never been recognized before. I'm not used to that. About to be my town hero. You know what I'm saying? Bro, y'all know what's been stuck in my freaking head, bro? It's so unhealthy. I've been singing it all. What's the I don't want through metal detectors because I'm always rock chrome.
Fly forever, bitch. Only number that I know.
Man, y'all, I be seeing Hondas that look just like my old one. Only difference with that one is my reverse lights were the whole bottom side of the light. So you see how he only has like one little speck? Mine was the whole row. I be missing it. I ain't even gonna lie. And I didn't even like it for real. Like, I mean, I liked it. Obviously, it was just my first car, but like, I could tell I like this a lot more than I like the Honda, obviously. Who wouldn't? But like, I did like, I don't know, 7,000 miles on the Honda in a year. Or however long it lasted. No, it lasted 11 months. So, but this, it's only been 9 months and I've done 12,000. So I think it's I think you can see the difference. Oh my God, my son was God. Freaking idiot. Am I good in here?
Doesn't seem wet.
I think I'm okay. Alright. Oh my God. Stupid. Bro, man, yo, I was really thinking about it. I'm really happy that I am the way I am. Like, I was thinking, I'm like, imagine if I had problems with people in the city and all of that, and I'm sitting here at the car wash making YouTube videos and and I'm just hearing like, and somebody walk up to me talking and say, "Hey bro, you Kaylin?" I'm like, "Nah." But he gonna blow my head smooth off my shoulders, bro. I'm so glad, my name is all over this car. 1, 2, and then again on the other side. Like, yo, they're gonna blow my head smooth off because now I'm lying. Like, "Are you Kaylin?" Am I driving my car? No, bro, it's cold. Am I driving my car off? Nah. Old me would leave sideways. New me is fine and reformed. Would never do that.
Cap.
Taking care of the car. I'm about to put y'all back on my phone because I don't really know the recording looks on here just yet. So, yo, I love the traction control sound of.
Watch the meditators, cause I'm always riding chrome. Fly forever, bitch. Only number that I know.